Hey, what's up guys? This is Shaun and welcome to my channel. Okay, let's learn together. Today I want to talk about Fiverr buyer request update and Fiverr update system for brief. So this is very important for new seller and all the Fiverr seller because Fiverr recently updated their Fiverr buyer request system, and if you want to send any buyer request you can't because there was nothing show because they Fiverr already updated their system, and the system is brief system. So what is brief system and what is Fiverr buyer request update? So I want to explain everything. If you are new viewers, and definitely you should subscribe this channel and click the notification button for more all update. So let's start. First of all, we know the buyer system, buyer Fiverr buyer request system is very important for. This is very important for new seller because when you are a new seller on Fiverr, that's time you need some order. So that's time you should increase your social media marketing for your gig impression, for gig ranking, and definitely you should send buyer request daily. That was 10 buy requests per day. So but right now you can't send any kinds of buy request because Fiverr already update their buy request system and they are running their new system. It's called brief system. So how can you get your brief system as a beginner and as a new seller? So most of the things I want to share about this because if you will customize your optimize your gig and if you follow all the steps, and definitely your brief system you will come and you can get lots of clients and order. Okay, so first of all I want to search with the keywords. The keyword is watercolor t-shirt design. Okay, so let's start. So after search, we can see a lot of options, lot of service here, and I think this is best category if you want to get lots of order easily. You should work with this category because the competition is not big, and definitely if you learn about the watercolor t-shirt design, definitely you will get a lot of order from your clients on Fiverr or other marketplace, and definitely you will earn money easily. Okay, so first of all I want to view this profile, and this is the title, you know that already. So if you want to get brief system, definitely you should optimize your title. Use lot of keywords like t-shirt design, Amazon pairing. So when your client search on search bar on Fiverr, that's time they will search and just like this t-shirt design, watercolor t-shirt design, Amazon t-shirt design, pairing t-shirt design, something like that. And definitely if the messing your service with targeted keywords, and definitely your gig will show on first page. So this is the big opportunity to get messages from your clients. And other way is when client will publish their request, that time Fiverr will show the similar a lot of service just related the Fiverr buyer request. If your gig is optimized, so definitely you will get the brief knock system, and after that you can communicate with your clients and definitely you will get the order. So next thing is you should optimize your package and use definitely here your keywords, and definitely it is very important for your briefs to get your brief matching, and you know that this is very important, so please use this. And also you should use your targeted keywords here with your gig description and other areas. Also you can optimize your gig image that is very important. And if you don't know how to optimize Fiverr gig image, so definitely you should follow my channel, and you should watch my another video how to optimize Fiverr gig and how to optimize Fiverr gig image. Okay, so this is very important. I hope that and also I want to tell about the VIP system. And if you are a new seller, so definitely you should follow the two step. One is please optimize your gig title and everything with your best keywords, and after that you should start social media marketing to get clients, and definitely that will very helpful for you. Want to tell about the watercolor t-shirt design, because me and my team are selling this kinds of service. So if you want to learn how to design watercolor t-shirt using Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, definitely you should comment below, or you can, if you want, you can email us. The email address is designtime777@gmail.com. And this is very great things, I think, because the competition is very low in this category marketplace. So thank you so much. And if you have any question, and finally I want to tell that I am not a native English speaker, so please forgive this, and please stay tuned and stay with me. And definitely I want to share my new tips and tricks as soon as possible. And please subscribe and share this video if you like this. Thank you so much.